Starfruit, also known as carambola, is a star-shaped tropical fruit with sweet and sour flavor. Carambola is native to Malayan Peninsula and cultivated in many parts of Southeast Asia, Pacific Islands, and China for its fruits. Although abundant and plentiful, carambola is yet to gain popularity, especially in the Western world. Scientific name: Averrhoa carambola. The genus Averrhoa includes two well-known sorrel, Oxalidaceae, families of fruiting trees, carambola, and bilimbi, tree cucumber. The fruit is recognized as Beliming manus in many Southeast Asian regions and Kamrak in India. Starfruit is a small, bushy evergreen tree that grows very well under hot, humid, tropical conditions. The plant bears small lilac-colored, bell-shaped flowers in clusters which subsequently develop into oblong-shaped fruits with characteristic five-angled edges, sides or ribs, that appear like a starfish in cross-sections. Both sweet and sour varieties begin to yield under cultivable orchards, and ready for harvesting when the plants reach about 3 to 4 years old. Carambola fruit features light green to yellow with attractive smooth waxy surface and weighs about 130 g. Inside, its crispy, juicy pulp can either be mildly sweet or extremely sour depending upon the cultivar type and amount of oxalic acid concentration. In some seed types, 2 to 5 tiny edible seeds found at the center of each angled cavity. Health benefits of starfruit. Starfruit is one of very low-calorie exotic fruits. 100 g fruit just provides 31 calories, which is much lower than for any other popular tropical fruits. Nonetheless, it has an impressive list of essential nutrients, antioxidants, and vitamins required for well-being. The fruit along with its waxy peel provides a good amount of dietary fiber. Fiber helps prevent absorption of dietary LDL cholesterol in the gut. The dietary fibers also help protect the mucous membrane of the colon from exposure to toxic substances by binding to cancer-causing chemicals in the colon. Starfruit contains good quantities of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful natural antioxidant. 100 g of fresh fruit provides 34.7 milligrams or 57% of daily required levels of vitamin C. In general, consumption of fruits rich in vitamin C helps the human body develop resistance against infectious agents and scavenge harmful, pro-inflammatory free radicals from the body. Starfruit is rich in antioxidant phytonutrient polyphenolic flavonoids. Some of the important flavonoids present are quercetin, epicatechin, and gallic acid. Total polyphenol contents, folinaceae, in this fruit is 143 mg/100 g altogether. These compounds help protect from deleterious effects of oxygen-derived free radicals by warding them off the body. In addition, it is a good source of B-complex vitamins such as folates, riboflavin, and pyridoxine, vitamin B6. Together, these vitamins help as cofactors for enzymes in metabolism as well as in various synthetic functions inside the body. It also carries small amount of minerals and electrolytes like potassium, phosphorus, and zinc and iron. Potassium is an important component of cell and body fluids, helps controlling heart rate and blood pressure, thus, it counters bad influences of sodium. Starfruit and its juice is often recommended in many folk medicine in Brazil as a diuretic, to increase urine output, expectorant, and to suppress cough.